Journalists from Peshawar who have been reporting from the front line in the war against terror have become news themselves. The home of journalists in Peshawar, the Peshawar Press Club, has been hit by a suicide attacker, killing 4 people and injuring dozens of others. Fortunately, journalists present inside the press club at the time survived the attack. But besides the attack, journalists in Peshawar are constantly being threatened.
From the last several months, we were under threat by the militants, and in this respect, we have made some security arrangements.
After the launch of military operation in tribal areas, the people of Peshawar as well as the security forces were the main target of militants. But now it seems like that the militants have also included the journalist community in Peshawar in their attacks. Needless to say, the attack on the Peshawar Press Club has created fear among the journalist community in Peshawar. Senior journalists believe the militants are not happy with the way journalists have been reporting ongoing war on terror.
And there were threats also before, and we've been hearing about these threats to journalists because the militants apparently were not happy with the way this whole war on terror was being projected and portrayed.
Authorities seem to be enforcing this view when they say that the media has done well in exposing the militants and changing perceptions.
Militancy और militants को expose करने के हवाले से पाकिस्तान को डिस्टेबलाइज करने की जो कोशिशें जारी थी और जो साजिश थी उसको expose करने के हवाले से मीडिया ने इंतहाई अहम किरदार अदा किया है। मैं आपकी अज़मत और आपकी हिम्मत को सलाम पेश करता हूँ।
It is true that in recent times the media and the government launched an anti-Taliban campaign and played an important role in changing perceptions. And it seems it is this message that's attracting the militants' wrath towards the media. Yasin Kamran, DawnNews, Peshawar.